Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a super quick Hobby Lobby clearance haul, and I also purchased one item that was not clearanced, but it was 50% off. So I wanted to show you some of the things I found. I found these really cute paper clips that you can add like a little embellishment or just like a circle of paper or whatever. You can embellish those up, and they were only 75 cents for 5 of them, and they are the Paper Studio brand. So it kind of reminds me of the Tim Holtz because it's like that antiqued gold look. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I found these swivel clasps, which are just like the Tim Holtz, and it's the same spare parts by Paper Studio, and they come 6 to a pack and they were $1. And I checked out the Tim Holtz brand, and they have 12 in the pack, and it's like $7.49 at at Michael's or at Hobby Lobby. So this was a great purchase, even though it's only half the amount, but still for $1 for 6 is a really good deal. So I picked up 3 of those, and these are great for junk journals on the outside to make like a little charm dangle. So that's what I picked those up for. And then I picked up 2 different page kits by Paper Studio. And one is this baby girl. I'm not going to use it for a baby girl. I'm going to use it for a spring themed pocket loaded envelope that I'm doing for a swap. And it was $2.25, and it has some beautiful papers here. They are single-sided. So let me see. It comes with 10 sheets, 2 of each of these patterns here, and then it comes with a pack of ephemera and a sticker letter sheet, and then another sticker sheet of sayings and little journaling cards and things like that. So I'll open it, or I'll show you the back here. There's the ephemera, and then the paper, and then just some ideas here, and then there's the stickers and the letters there. So that's really cute. It was $2.25 down from $8.99. And then I picked up this Christmas for next year. I just loved the fun colors, and it's called Holiday Happy by Paper Studio, and it was also $2.25. And it has the same, well, it has the paper that has 5 prints, and there's 2 of each in there. And then it has a dimensional sticker sheet, some epoxy or enamel dots there that go with it, and this other sticker sheet there. So that's super cute, and then it has some cute ideas on the back there. So, and then the last thing I picked up that was 50% off was also Paper Studio kit, and I picked this up for a friend. So it's super cute. I love my dog paper crafting kit, and it has the dimensional stickers, the paper, the sticker letters, and then the other sticker sheet here, and I just think that is so cute. Look at that one. Adorable. I love it, and I know my friend will love it too. Just cute. So that's it, guys. A really quick one. I looked through all kinds of stuff there, and this is just the stuff that I thought was a good deal and that I knew that I would use. They have all kinds of stuff on clearance, like throughout the whole store, not just in the clearance area. Be sure to check out like the aisles, because they have all the stuff still hanging, and just all throughout every department. So these were some great finds. I hope you find yours, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.